welcome back to our channel. Today the automotive world is buzzing with the announcement of the new Mahindra Thar 2025, a game-changing addition to Mahindra's robust lineup. Known for its rugged off-road capabilities, the Thar is stepping into the future with an electric version that combines sustainability with adventure. Here's everything you need to know about this exciting electric off-roader. Design: iconic yet modern, the Mahindra Thar retains the classic, rugged design that has made it an off-road favorite, but with futuristic updates. Its bold stance is complemented by aerodynamic tweaks, LED lighting, and F-specific design elements like a closed front grille and unique alloy wheels. The F version introduces a modern interior, with premium materials and a digital cockpit that enhances the driving experience. It's a blend of heritage and innovation, appealing to both traditionalists and modern-day explorers. Performance: power meets sustainability under the hood. The Thar boasts a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, promising instant torque and seamless performance across terrains. With dual-motor AWD, all-wheel drive, and an advanced off-road driving mode, it ensures exceptional control and power. The expected range of over 400 kilometers on a single charge makes it ideal for both city commutes and long off-road adventures. Fast charging technology ensures the battery can recharge to 80% in under an hour, keeping downtime minimal. Features: smart and adventurous. The new Mahindra Thar 2025 is packed with cutting-edge features: advanced infotainment system, a large touchscreen with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and off-road telemetry, driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and parking assist make driving effortless. All-weather durability, waterproofing and dustproofing ensure the vehicle is ready for any adventure. Eco-friendly adventure: the Thar underscores Mahindra's commitment to sustainability without compromising the thrill of exploration. By eliminating emissions and utilizing recyclable materials, it sets a new standard for eco-conscious off-roading. Expected price and launch: while Mahindra has not disclosed the exact pricing, industry insiders anticipate a competitive starting price around a superscript 125-30 lakhs. The launch is expected in early 2025, with pre-orders beginning later in 2024. Why the Mahindra Thar mattered: the Thar is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It signifies a shift towards greener technologies in the SUV segment while retaining the essence of what makes the Thar iconic. For off-road enthusiasts and eco-conscious buyers alike, the new Mahindra Thar 2025 is set to redefine possibilities. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on this revolutionary electric SUV. Whether you're planning your next adventure or looking to embrace sustainable mobility, the Thar is a compelling choice that promises the best of both worlds. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations.